change it to work in, let's say, Rotterdam, then I can get a mobile spot there, so it's no problem at all.
Okay, good.
So normally I would have been there, but yeah, due to the illness of my daughter, I couldn't be. So this is the next the next best alternative.
Okay, okay, good. Okay.
Yeah.
And how is she? She's recovering fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
She did just a flu.
Okay, okay.
Just.
Good.
Hey, can you tell me something about yourself?
Yeah, well, Juan Castillo. I grew up in Venezuela, and my family is Spanish. So I came here in 2013 with my wife because a job, and the situation over there it was not good. We want this, and then I started looking for a job, and I could find it relatively quickly. And I started working in mapper lithography, and no problem, 2 years over there.
Mm-hmm.
Then in BTMO, then in BTMO doing the solar project and for housing, and then in how do you call it? Simtech, simulation technology, flight simulator. That is in New Venep. That was good. And then in Google Street View, and that was technician level MBO. And in the previous companies in Netherlands was engineer. In Venezuela, engineer, oil and gas, and that was good also. And I graduated in 2008, electrical engineering. A specialization in power system, and I did before the university a training in electricity, like equivalent to MBO level. And before that, well, by my own learning, reading, electronics and electricity, and doing myself. So since I can remember, I do that.
Okay. And you said you have a vocational level like MBO here.
No.
You have your bachelor done.
No.
And your master then.
No. I explain. I did MBO and HBO.
Okay, yeah, so you have your bachelor.
Equivalence to MBO and HBO, and I did it in Venezuela, of course, and I studied electricity, which is maintenance, electrical maintenance, electrical motors, connections, contactors, and that was practical, a lot of practice and theory. And then I started in university, a separate city, a different university, electrical engineering in power system specialization. And I graduated in 2008. I immediately started working in a small company, a small job. I received the title degree 3 months after that, in October, and I started the following day of my graduation. And in YMV, Janes and Belgara Engineering and Construction, oil and gas sector, and I stayed there for 2 years. And the crisis, economical crisis, hit them, and they could not renew my contract. Then I found another job, but I don't put it in the CV resume. Then I started in Electra, oil and gas also, industry, engineering. Then economic trouble also, well, whatever. And then I came to here to Netherlands 2013 and started the same year in mapper lithography, and no problem, high tech, semiconductor industry, manufacture, and the same position, electrical engineering, specification, designing, selection. I did a few installations myself, I had to. And then in Simtech, well, BTMO, it was a small project, and it was not full time. That person, BTMO, could not offer me more hours because the lack of money. 2016, and then 2016, 2017, I found Simtech, contracted via interim only, which is like a Autzen Bureo intermediate.
Yeah, it's in the yeah.
And well, a lot of trouble with the capital,
Uh-huh.
the money, because something about the Russian stockholder, and they have to stop the contracts for
Okay.
temporal, for the, yeah, like me, contracts, not for the
Yeah.
staff, not for the
No.
staff persons. And then I found quickly the Google Street View, which it was not engineering, but I have to accept it. I did not like it, but then I learned a lot. I liked the activities. I learned a lot. And that was not
Mm-hmm.
economical. The boss decided to stop it because he considered that I don't fulfill the level of a technician. He did not like it, and another details and yeah, trouble. Basically, he stopped even when he was not working there and seeing me every day because he
No.
works remotely from Zurich,
Okay.
Switzerland.
All
And yeah,
right.
that's it. That is my situation.
Okay. So now you're looking for a job
Yes, I am.
since January 18th.
Yes, I am unemployed since February.
Yeah. All right. And if I look at your complete CV and your working history, then like you said, you started then you started in Venezuela
What?
and then came to Holland in 2013
Yeah, yeah, exactly, correct.
and then went to Mapper.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. What did you do at Mapper? You worked there for about 2 years. Why did you leave?
No, I did not leave. They could not renew me the contract. I did not want to leave. I need the job.
Okay. Why couldn't they renew you?
The money, like I said before,
Okay.
money constraint,
Yeah.
and you can find the information very easily. It's the most expensive machine in Europe in
Mm-hmm.
research and development, and
Mm-hmm.
they yeah they had a lot of trouble, also technical troubles. And I work in
Yeah.
the modules, the electrical modules,
Mm-hmm.
facilitating the power or giving the power for the building. Well,
Yeah.
just after the building to all the machines, and
Yeah.
also a module powering all the submodules for the electronics, electron beam generators, and pumps. Yeah, that it was electromechanical.
Yeah. So I know Mapper. I've been there.
Really?
Yeah.
But why?
I've been there. I think 2 years ago. No, longer. 3 or 4 years ago.
That was
I've been there
2015.
on a tour. They did a tour
Ah.
for a specific group of people,
Yeah,
and I've been there because
good.
they really needed people at that time.
Yeah, in
So I
2005,
know Mapper.
2015.
Yeah. No. It maybe even earlier. I think about 4 years ago. I think somewhere 2013,
15?
maybe 14 or so.
No, 2014.
Yeah.
I was there.
Could it?
2014.
Yeah.
I was
Yeah,
there.
I see. Yeah, that's why I'm saying. I know Mapper from that tour and what they're doing.
Well, I was there in the ground floor, entering, and then the
Yeah.
next door, and behind the IT room, and
Yeah.
then the following to the
Mhm.
left.
All right.
Yes,
Yeah, well, I was really impressed with the work
really.
and the
Okay.
technology that they had.
Yeah, even for only 200 persons, 250. Yeah, impressive.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, and we do
not
most of the job, not subcontracted. Really.
Okay.
Even from designing for some parts, some metal work, yes, we do it.
Yeah.
Wiring, soldering,
Mhm.
yes. Not only design,
Okay.
not everything is subcontracted. We do it there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay. But you were designing there,
Yeah, of course.
the electrical side.
Yes,
Or did you do mechanical side as well?
yes, I have to. because it's an
Okay.
electromechanical equipment, and you
Yeah.
cannot